Before viewing our video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tap the bell icon, so you are the first to know when we post the new videos.
Hold out your thumb and point it upward as if giving the thumbs up sign. Check the angle of the thumb. Is it standing straight or does it curve? This says something about your personality. Straight thumb. Some people have a straight thumb when they give a thumbs up. There's no bend to the bones at all. And the thumb doesn't even slightly retract backwards over the knuckle. The straight thumb could mean that you're a more serious person than most. Though you don't show your excitability, it doesn't mean you're a downer. Crooked thumb. Then, we've got the crooked thumb. As you can see, the back of it curves. It can curve a lot or a little, depending on the person. A crooked thumb means you are so much expressive you want to express your feelings with all and put yours thought out. Obtuse angle. A person whose thumb makes an obtuse angle with the index finger is a gem. Such thumbs are well built, long and lean. They are called tender thumbs. People who have such thumbs are calm and thoughtful. They usually make great artists and musicians. The first half is longer than the second half. A person whose thumb makes an obtuse angle with the index finger is a gem. Such thumbs are well built, long and lean. They are called tender thumbs. People who have such thumbs are calm and thoughtful. They usually make great artists and musicians. The first half is longer than the second half. If the second half is longer than the first one, then you make all your decisions based on logic, instead of willpower. You tend to restrain yourself when it comes to falling and feeling in love, and as a result you may miss out on golden opportunities to find a suitable life partner. Try overcoming this issue. If you want to find love, just listen to your and let logical backseat for once. So which type do you have? If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking subscribe button, and then tapping the bell icon, so you will be first know when we post the videos.